Hello everybody, it's Jason with Investing Logically. Hope you guys have a wonderful day today. In this video we're talking about the top stocks you should buy this week. So today was a really good day, so I'll give you guys some stocks you should put on your watch list. My portfolio is currently at 1339 and 27 cents, currently down 3.27% on the day, but it's up 7.3% total, so that's really good. First stock is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. It is trading around 7.98 and 25 cents. It's down 4.48% on the week, but on the month it's down 6.15%. So right now would be a good buying time. 52-week high of $900, so now would be a great time. So between $800 and $830 would be a good price to get this at. Today would have been a great time to get Tesla. So yeah, so I do have a 1-year price target of this at $1,500 and a long-term price target at $4,000. So yeah, that's just my opinion. So the next stock I'm going to talk about is called NEO, ticker symbol NIO. Currently trading around $57.32. It's currently down 3.22% on the day. On the week it's down 10%. Then on the month it's down 0.97%. So we can see that they have a 52-week high of $66.99. Anything below $60 would be a good price to get the stock at. I have 4.61 shares at $56.79. I have a price target of $100 in 1 year. In 5 years, I have a price target of around $300. I do have high hopes for this company. The next stock is called Fiverr International. So it's currently $306.26, currently down 4.31% on a day. On the week, it's up 5.63%. On the month, it's up 30.87%. Price you should get this at is at $310 or below. But if you can't get it at that price, you can get this at any price because we believe in this long term. My price tag for this is above $500 this year. This stock could easily go to $1,000 in 5 years. The next stock is called Nano Dimensions, ticker symbol NNDM. It's currently $14.54, currently up 0.07% on a day. So on the week it's down 15.86%. A month it's up 28.11%. I currently have 13.82 shares. I'm currently up 1.8% total. So my strike prices for this ranges from $13.80 to $14.90. We believe in this company long term. We see the potential 3D printing in the future. Stock could go to $20 short term. In 5 years, this could easily reach $100. So the next stock is called Bionano Genomics, ticker symbol BNGO. It's currently trading around $14.54. It's currently down 6.62% on a day. On the week, it's up 22.6%. Then on the month, it's up 54.68%. Like prices for this is between $14.54 and $13. I talked about this stock 2 weeks ago, and since then I'm off 39.79%. So the next stock is called Clean Energy Fuels Corp, ticker symbol CLNE, currently at $15.54. So it's currently down 2.39% on a day. On the week it's down 9.81%. On the month it's up 17%. So I first put the stock at $10, but then I sold at $18. I said in the video that is a short-term price target of $18, then I sold at $18. The main purpose of me getting the stock was to play a short-term. They have long-term potential. This stock could easily go in the triple digits in 2 years. That's for this. So my strike price for this is anywhere between $15 and $16. Since we're doing this for long term, we're not going to average down. We're going to just hold it. We're going to hold this one for at least 5 years. Bonus stock here. So I'm going to talk about the stock in my later videos. So I'm going to give you guys a head start on the stock. So NEO Technologies. This is an electrical scooter company based in China. So it's currently at $45.67. On the week it's down 1.74%. On the month it's up 10.34%. Down on the year. On the year it's up 40%, 141% in 3 years. So anything below $48 is a buy. I'll try to get a video up on the stock. Let's do research on the stock. Make sure to make use of these buying opportunities because we buy low, we sell high. That's what we do here. So feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also feel free to like this video for the YouTube algorithm so more people can learn about investing. So from me, hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you guys in the next one and happy investing.